It almost feels a little too soon, but it is time for taxes. The IRS just released all of the dates. The IRS will begin accepting returns January the 23rd. Now, you can do your taxes before the 23rd, but the IRS is not going to accept the info until then. January 31st, that's the deadline for employers to give out those W-2s. Now, most employers are going to make them available before then, but again, that's the deadline. And tax day is a Tuesday, April 18th. The 15th is on the weekend, and that Monday is a Washington, D.C. holiday, so tax day is in fact on a Tuesday.
A lot of what we find is that a lot of taxpayers kind of expect their refund to be fairly the same year to year. And unfortunately, this is going to be one of those years where it is not going to be the same.
Now, here's why it's not going to be the same. The tax laws changed in 2022 back to pre-COVID tax laws. So this year, the child tax credit reverts back to $2,000 per child. In the years before, you got a credit of $3,000 to $3,600 per child. So at minimum, you're going to be getting $1,000 less. Now let's get to the child and dependent care credit. This year, the tax law allows for up to 30% to be claimed. Last year, you could do up to 50% max credit. Tax experts say you may not even get that 30% this year. And how about we end on some good news when it comes to taxes, right? IRS Free File is now up and running. If you made $73,000 or less in 2022, you can file your taxes electronically for free, and you can use brand name software to do it. Now, do you want to speed up your refund? Yeah, you do. Then file electronically. And the IRS says, make sure you choose direct deposit. And straight from the IRS, here's how you avoid a refund delay. It says to avoid the delays, avoid filing paper returns.